Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make roasted cauliflower steaks. These vegan steaks are flavorful, healthy and take just 10 minutes to prepare plus another 20 to cook in the oven. Cauliflower steaks get the prize for the best weeknight dinner, so let's get on to it. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Line a large rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. Place a chopping board on the prepared baking sheet so you won't make a mess when cutting the cauliflower. Using a sharp chef's knife, carefully slice the cauliflower head into 1-inch steaks. The ends usually crumble, but don't worry, you can use those too. Arrange the steaks on the prepared baking sheet. Brush them on both sides with avocado or olive oil. Make sure you flip them gently so they don't break. In a small bowl, combine all seasonings and mix well. Gently rub each piece of cauliflower with the seasoning blend.
Kids, I was looking for them all my life. No use for them anymore. I hope you don't find someone bulletproof to your BS, your schemes and your moves.
Bake for 20 minutes or until tender and golden. Remove the steaks from the oven and sprinkle with nutritional yeast while hot. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley and serve with a touch of lime. This is my kind of steak. Perfectly seasoned and so tender. A true satisfying plant-based meal. For more ideas on what to serve with cauliflower steaks, just check out my website, blondelish.com. That was it for today, foodies. Thank you for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!
It burns.